Electronic magic, bigger than life, Sound Pro.
Hi, it's Jim from Sound Pro, and I want to talk to you about hands-free telephone use. You know, one of the things about cars nowadays is we want people to be really safe. And if you're thinking about getting some audio for one of your children or yourself in your car, how about one of these new Bluetooth hands-free phone systems? Every radio we have here in the store, single DIN, double DIN, whatever kind we have, they'll all hook up through Bluetooth. You know, with Bluetooth, you can do hands-free telephone. There's a microphone so you can speak to people. Of course, you can text from voice with most of these systems nowadays, and I'll tell you what, it streams music. So you listen to your favorite music, you can just stream it right from your phone, right into your unit with Bluetooth. So come on down to Sound Pro. Take a look. We're going to show you what it takes to put it into your car. All of these radios will fit. We have kits and wire harness adapters to fit virtually every car. And of course, the Bluetooth makes it really, really safe to drive around and utilize the features nowadays. So whether you want to listen to music or use your telephone, come on down to Sound Pro and we're going to show you how to be safe with a Bluetooth radio right in your car. Come on down and see us. We're here at Sound Pro.
As your stereo attorney, I advise you to like the video, subscribe, and smash that like button.